Welcome back to Çiya Nebula. We know black holes are the ultimate limits of density and gravity. But what happens when two of these cosmic monsters meet? What does their collision mean for the fabric of reality itself? In the final moments of a merger, they unleash a power that briefly outshines all the stars in the universe combined, confirming Albert Einstein's final great prediction: gravitational waves. The collision is a three-stage dance. It begins with the Inspiral, where the black holes, locked in orbit, lose energy by radiating space-time ripples. As they spiral faster and closer, the frequency of these waves increases, a phenomenon we call the cosmic chirp. In the second stage, the merger, the black holes collide at nearly the speed of light. In that brief, violent instant, up to 3 times the mass of our Sun is converted instantly into pure gravitational energy. This is the most powerful event witnessed by humanity, second only to the Big Bang itself. The resulting object is a single, larger black hole. But it's not calm. This newborn giant violently vibrates, shedding its remaining excess energy. This final stage is the Ringdown, where the black hole rings like a cosmic bell. These subtle vibrations carry the final information about the black hole's mass and spin, perfectly matching the mathematical predictions of Einstein's equations. The merger confirms a key rule: the total surface area of the final black hole is always greater than the sum of the initial two, a concept known as Hawking's area theorem. Every merger we detect, thanks to the LIGO and Virgo observatories, is a direct listen to the universe's most extreme physics. Each chirp is not just a discovery, it's a testament to Einstein's genius and the chaotic power of gravity. Do you think hierarchical mergers will create black holes big enough to consume entire galaxies? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Çiya Nebula.